sorry to pause because my teacher told me to pause and it was very dark. Not anymore. Let it go. Let it go.
Pero ang saya talaga nung closet. Nga tayong jowa. Galing talaga. Mahal naman ang picture. Kano? So expensive. Magkano na yun? Tsaka naman natin doon. 900. Ay, 900. Okay na yung napicturan mo. Kasi tsaka natin doon.
Fractions all around.
Galing ng frozen nila.
Fractions all around. The one that visualizes life and as it plans.
Sarado ata.
The future goes back. The past is in the past. Let it go.
Wala ata eh.
Playhouse Wood. Oh.
Sarado nga kasi outdoor kasi yan, attraction. Wala namang ulan, ang damot naman. CR muna tayo na lang. Ano daw eh?
Guys, I need to pause because it's the restroom. I'm going to pee. Okay, see you next time.